Hi, Patriots. Continuing today with the Kessler Continental Drift Station Lab. If you would like to go to your drive and grab up, this is what it looks like for anybody who can't seem to remember what we were working on yesterday. So this is the Continental Drift Theory Station Lab. So you're going to work your way through that. We need to start getting a little more detailed. These should be at least you need on this one right here. How did Alfred Wegener use landforms to make a case? You need to put 3 pieces of evidence for this. We need to start why was he unable to explain? Okay, these are periods, complete sentences, and complete thoughts. So let's really try to focus today on our questions and making them at a 7th grade level. So once you are done, you're going to turn it in under assignments under Continental Drift. And you're done for the day once that's complete. Have a great day.